What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to March 1st of the year. This is our first video of the month, obviously.
We're kind of doing an update every month for you guys, just going over any questions that we get from you guys or just general updates on the cars and what's going on with the channel and things like that. So today's gonna have a mix of that and then something we've actually never done before.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of a weird video, which we'll get into. But
yeah.
First and foremost though, for the giveaway for this month, a lot of people commented doing a gift card of some sort. So we're going to be doing a $100 prepaid Visa gift card. So one of you is going to win that. All you have to do is be a subscriber to us here on YouTube and comment on the videos, the most commented video of the month. We're going to pick that video, and then of those comments, a random winner is going to win $100. So pretty awesome.
Yeah. Also, leave your Instagram name. We kind of forget to say that in most of our other videos, but if you've seen enough of the videos, thank you for putting your Instagram name. It makes it much easier to not only pick the winner, but send you a message.
Yeah, easy to contact you guys.
Do it very quickly.
So what is next then?
Are we talking about, well, we can talk about the C8 update. Okay. I had some people asking about that. I'm kind of in the middle of my dealer allocation spot. So my car was going to be made 8 to 12 weeks after the production date. So we're looking at
this month,
later this month. So I should be getting the car in April. I'm super excited, and I'm going to be kicking out one of Brian's cars there, because I'll have to put that in the garage. So it's coming, guys. It's I'm probably not going to be one of the first ones to get it, unfortunately, but I'll have it. So nice. We'll be doing a lot of stuff that other YouTubers won't do, so that'll be nice. Everyone has kind of their own thing going on, which is nice as well. So
very cool. So now we're going to get into a question we get a lot. We do a lot of car reviews, as you guys know, and a lot of people always ask us, how did we get into that? How do we do that? Do we just walk into a dealer and get the keys? We have been doing this for over 10 years, actually. With anything, start from the bottom, and if you're willing to put in the work, good things can happen with that. And if you have a passion for it, it will get better and better, and that's kind of how we started. So now, this is going to be the embarrassing part of the video.
I'm a little nervous to show you guys, but we're going to show you our reactions as well.
We're going to watch it with you guys, so this will be kind of a family moment.
Yeah. Are you ready?
No. So the first video we're going to show is a 370Z Roadster that I filmed. This was 7 years ago. Filmed with my Hero HD Original. Has 700 views in 7 years. So
if you're new to the channel, here's where we started.
370Z Roadster Touring Edition. Really nice with the white with the red roof.
You can definitely tell it's on a GoPro.
Yeah, this is back like the first GoPros ever made, and they didn't have screens in the GoPros at that point, so I didn't really know.
It has a 6-speed paddle shifter.
A 6-speed paddle shifter. I then corrected to say it was a 7-speed though.
And not on this model, but the other, I guess, sportier versions.
Sounds like yes, I'll have a list.
They have different sport modes.
Audio was not good on those old
synchro red matching for downshifts and upshifts. It's got a dark red.
I can't laugh because I'm next.
It's pretty cool.
But this is on a Sunday, the dealer's closed. Just walking around.
How long is it?
It says a 3.7 V6 with 332 horsepower and 270 foot-pounds of torque.
I was reading the window sticker as I said
if I said 6-speed automatic, it's a 7-speed transmission.
Correcting myself there.
So 7-speed paddle shifters. Now I've driven a G35 and the 350Z. And those were pretty fast, so I can imagine this is much better.
It is. What are the odds I ended up buying one?
Fun to drive cars.
5 years later.
You can do a lot of performance to them. Very sporty.
Sporty.
And sick looking, I think.
Yeah, so that's one of my first reviews ever. And hopefully I'm a little bit better at this point. Y'all can comment down below. Mike's turn, 1:59.
Hey, those are the same length.
Wow, that's amazing.
So this is a 2015 TRD Pro when the Pro was first released. Hey everyone, this is the 2015 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. And today I'll be doing. I don't think they let me actually review it. Truck. He was just like, "Yeah, sure, just the front grille. It's not moving." So,
and the waviness
with a leveling kit in the front with Bilstein shocks. Was this my and
Motorola
TRD rims?
Droid Razor M's
are also functional bead locks.
No stability on.
Show you the shocks up in here. They have some accents like the black Tacoma there.
Notice both our videos were very.
And this truck also comes equipped with the power and the
in the bed.
And didn't even
also
show
have
it.
the LED taillights. Now I'll go ahead and show you the interior.
Oh, it was unlocked. I forgot.
This truck comes stock with the locking rear diff. Here's the
You know what a
power
locking rear
button
diff
for
was
the
at the
rear.
time?
Probably not, no.
And then your downhill assist control.
But it's ironic, that was
and
my
traction control.
first truck,
Yeah.
a Tacoma.
And it has hand controls on the steering wheel.
I mean,
You showed it.
it's not bad.
Camera quality.
It is, but
So that's my review of the 2015 Toyota Tacoma
You
TRD
reviewed the
Pro.
whole thing in a minute and a half.
Make sure to check out other videos on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe.
All right.
how many views does that have?
That one, 37,000 views.
Wow. So that's kind of like where we were like, hey, we're onto something.
Yeah.
Not that that's a lot in, what, 6 years, but
Back then, that
back
was a lot of
then,
views.
yeah.
So here is my first time doing being on camera. Well, one of the first few times I was on camera vlogging while driving with my Genesis coupe. So this one, I had my Samsung Galaxy S5 at the time. That was how I was filmed. We filmed first few years on the Droid Razor M's, and then like 4 years filming on our Galaxy S5 cell phones. And I bought a $5 cell phone mount for your windshield that you would use like to have navigation in your car. I bought one of them and put it in the way corner of the windshield, had my phone facing backwards, like, you know, facing me, and had to line it up to where I was actually in frame. So I've owned my Genesis coupe for more than 3.5 years now, and I still like the car. I truly do love this car. It really fits everything that I was looking for in a car. So today I'm going to go over 5 things that I love about my Hyundai Genesis coupe 2-liter turbo.
Although that
Number
sun is
one,
bright.
the looks of this car is really nice. It has the traditional sports car look, really good profile from the side, and the proportions all around are very
that at the
balanced.
college?
The front end matches the rest of the car very nicely,
parking deck,
and the rear end cleans it up, and it looks really sweet. I've replaced all the Hyundai badges with the Genesis Coupe wing badges, so that obviously makes it look a little more exotic. And a lot of times when I'm driving this car, people give me the thumbs up, ask me what kind of car it is, they'll ask if I can take a photo of it. And it's pretty cool. The handling is
not bad video.
outstanding. There's really no
this
body
was
roll.
5 years
you can
ago.
take a turn going much faster
That's
than
kinda
it should
neat.
be.
We can do that much better
very
now, but
planted
that's
and
still
very
cool.
flat the whole
Yeah.
time. The engine performance is pretty good too.
Definitely a
this
big
is the first
difference
generation
from
4-cylinder
the walk-around
turbo
you
with
saw.
220 horsepower,
Better camera angles, better
223 foot-pounds of
camera.
torque, all on premium
Talk a
fuel.
little bit better.
And it's
But yeah, I mean, good review overall, not gonna lie. Obviously, 4 years ago, so 50,000 views.
Yeah, not bad. It got a lot of views and not bad at all.
This was one of the first ever car reviews that I tried doing. So I used my Genesis coupe because I wanted, didn't want to go to a dealer. It's just I have the car. It's kind of brand new.
So this is your first time on camera, I think.
It was. So I'm dressed up. I got my polo and khakis on, so I look professional. But I had no idea what I was doing.
3.8 Grand Touring. And if you enjoyed
And I
this
have a
video,
script
be
in
sure
my
to
back
comment, like,
pocket
and share it.
that I was trying to go
Don't
word
forget
for
to
word
subscribe
on.
to us on YouTube, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. There are 2 engine options available for the coupe. My car has the 3.8 liter 6-cylinder engine, and that is paired to the 6-speed automated manual transmission. There's also a 6-speed manual transmission available.
It's an automatic.
On paper, my car produces 306 horsepower at 6,300 RPMs and 266 foot-pounds of torque at 4,700 RPMs. And with my intake and exhaust, I feel I have a little more horsepower and torque and a higher RPMs.
I mean, yeah, a
And this
little bit.
power is sent to the rear wheels, pushing this
Well, I mean, just like
3,300-pound
my
car
two,
from 0 to
your
60
two,
in
way
5.4
better than the
seconds.
first one.
Yeah.
And this
So I've
is
only owned
a
this
few
car
years
for a
later.
few months now, and I've already put a ton of work into it. We'll start with the front grille here. So I cut out the center of the stock grille, had to Bondo, repaint it, put some carbon fiber on the bottom here, and then added some mesh to the back of it. It came out really nice, looks really good. Under the hood I have an AEM intake, which I
This
converted
is
to a
separate from
cold air
our review,
intake,
but
and I also made a custom heat shield for it.
That was a fun project.
Go ahead and start it. We can place the key fob down here. And then with my foot on the brake, I can go ahead and hit the start button here.
Similar structure.
So now I'll do some revs at different angles so you can hear it.
Yeah, so there's a good look kind of at two of his first videos. Hopefully you guys have seen some improvement. If not, then we got some work to do.
we're doing something wrong,
But always room for improvement, even now.
Yeah.
I mean, of course, we still are working on learning new things, getting better. You're never perfect. And you never start at the top. You start at the bottom with what you have. We used the bare minimum of what we had.
I still have my Samsung Galaxy S5. I don't film with it anymore.
Yeah, that'd be.
But I still have that.
And this is only one phone after that because mine completely crapped out on me. And even this is a 4-year-old phone at this point.
Yeah.
But I don't know, that's one thing. We've had some people who ask us, say, oh, what camera do I need to go buy? What software do I need? That's not the question. Like, don't even think you need to go spend $1,000 bucks.
Yeah.
Every one of you probably has a better phone than me, which means every single one of you has a way better thing than what we ever remotely started with.
Yeah, that's true.
Half of you have iMacs anyway. You have iMovie on them. We used Windows Movie Maker before we ever had Macs.
On our HPs.
Yeah, so we had to deal with crashing software, corruption files, just so much stuff, and we made it work. So that's kind of anything, you know, if you want something, go for it, make it happen. Don't think you need, you know, this perfect outline of I need to start with all of these and then I can do it. Just go do it, and all that stuff will end up coming. So I think that's kind of it for the video. Anything else you got to add?
I think that's it. We kind of covered the basic questions there, a little bit of update on the C8.
Our giveaway, so $100 giveaway. If anyone wants to participate, just be a subscriber, leave a comment.
We do appreciate everyone who's commented for the first 2 months.
Yeah, it's so much engagement.
It's been a pretty good engagement with talking with everyone and seeing whatever the comment is.
Yeah, a lot of good, a lot of positivity. Like, in all honesty, I have rarely seen any sort of negativity, which let's keep that up. Positivity goes a long way for everybody. You never know what anyone's going through, so positivity is always good. And hopefully you enjoy the videos, you know, entertaining, educational, fun, all that kind of good stuff.
Kind of cover it all.
Yeah, but a little bit of a different video for today, going back, seeing what it was like back in the day, and if you're interested in filming YouTube, start from the bottom and just do it because you'll love it, and it could turn into anything. And even if you're not interested in YouTube or cars, whatever it is, start from the bottom and just follow your passion and make it happen. So
I think that'll wrap it up for today's video. We'll keep doing giveaways that you guys want, whatever's the most popular that we see. It seems to be really fun so far this year, and we'll keep it up. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Give it a huge thumbs up, smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in the next video.